Hello, in this video I will demonstrate a procedure for improving the TrueSight Presentation Server startup time and performance by tuning the database table that stores patrol agent configuration history. In large environments, there can be performance issues due to the amount of data stored in the patrol agent underscore pconfig TL table, which is read into memory by the TSPS server on startup. In TSPS versions prior to 11.304, the last 10 copies of the configuration sent to each patrol agent was stored in this table, and the procedure here will be to change the setting to store only 3 copies and then truncate the table. In 11.304, the new default setting of keeping only the last 3 entries for each agent is already set, and we will use an SQL statement to ensure that any stale entries are cleaned up. And now I will go into the demonstration. First, I will take a backup of the database. Once that is set, I will change the parameter so that only 3 copies per agent are kept in the table. Next, I will verify that this setting took place. It did. Now I will stop the TSPS server and start only the database. Now I can verify the database username in the pg_hba.conf file. Here, my database username is Postgres. I will now change to the modules pgsql/bin directory and run the ps command to log into the database. I will first create a backup of this table before truncating it. I've now truncated the table and I can now log out. I will then stop the database and I can now start the server normally. And that completes the procedure for the versions prior to 11.304. On 11.304, I will start in a similar fashion with taking a database backup. I will then stop the server and start only the database. I will then change to the modules pgsql bin directory and log into the database. Once I'm logged in, the first step is to take a backup of the specific table. Once that is complete, I will run the SQL command shown here to ensure that any stale entries in the table are cleaned up. I can then log out of the database. I can stop the database process and start the server normally. Thank you for watching the video.